Hey guys, welcome back to Montavue. Today I'm here to bring you the monthly update for the month of March. Now in this one I'm going to be talking about a few sales that we've got going on, and I'm going to introduce you to two new cameras that we now have in stock and ready to sell. So first of all, we do have a 15% off site-wide sale. This is going to be going on for St. Patrick's Day, and it is currently active as I'm speaking, and that's going to be going until the 20th of March. So for that one, you guys want to use the code StPats15. I'm going to put it here on the bottom for you guys. And that will be used at checkout to get you guys 15% off. Now this is going to apply for individual cameras as well as packages, but keep in mind that 32 channel, 64 channel packages and NVRs will not be included in the sale, as will hard drives. So again, that's 32 channel, 64 channel NVRs and their packages as well as our hard drives will not be included in the site-wide sale. We also have MTT 8105 and MTB 8105s. Those are still on super sale. We have those for about 25% off individual cameras and their packages. So these are 4K cameras. They're 15 frames per second, fantastic little cameras, and they are extremely affordable for what they can do. So again, if you guys are interested in those 8105 4K cameras, those are 25% off for this month. We've also got a few specific cameras that are going to be on sale. This is going to include the MTZ 8250X. This is the 4K auto tracking camera you guys might be familiar with. This is considered our most powerful camera that we have. And again, it is on super sale for all month. Alongside that is the MTZ 4040. This is our 2K dome camera that is a PTZ. So it's got IK10 rating for vandal proofness, but it has the ability to move around on its own. So this is a fantastic little camera for inside or outside. However, keep in mind it doesn't have infrared. So it does have full color night vision, which is pretty fantastic. So if you guys have a use for an affordable PTZ camera that's just a small little guy, this is going to be the one to get. Again, that is the MTZ 4040. The MTZ 4250, this is our standard 2K 25x zoom PTZ camera, is also on sale this month. So make sure you guys check that out if you ever wanted one of those. And finally, we have our 12 megapixel fisheye camera. This is one of my personal favorites. It is loaded with features. It's got active deterrence. Of course, you got your fisheye view 12 megapixels. That is a little bit even greater than 4K. And the actual camera itself is super easy to install. And it is a very, very useful camera for those of you that wish to have a fisheye. If you guys are interested in any of those cameras, I will put the links in the description below. Those are going to be anywhere from 30 to 40% off for the month of March. And finally, we have our spring sale. This is going to start on March 22nd, and it's going to carry us all the way into April. So for that one is TBD. We don't quite sure know what we're going to do, but we know that we're going to have a site-wide sale going probably 15% or even better. So stay tuned for that one. Now, I have a couple cameras to introduce you guys to. Now, I've briefly spoken about them in other updates, but we finally have them, and we're ready to sell them. So first one I'm going to introduce you guys to. This is the MTZ 4250-IR-SMD3-AT. So effectively what it is, it's an auto tracking 2K camera. So it has 25x zoom. As you'll notice, it's a little bit different shape than the other PTZs because now it comes with this metal plate. You can attach it right to a ceiling or a wall. So it's really handy as far as placement now. It's obviously a little bit smaller as well, so this is going to fit into more nooks and crannies than the previous iteration of the 4250, which is much bigger. So, again, that is the MTZ 4250-IR-SMD3-AT. It's a long one, but essentially it's the auto tracking 4250. So if you guys call the sales or the tech support line, they'll know exactly what you're talking about. And finally, I have our second camera. This one is a beast. This is the MTZ 4250-IR-SMD-AI-AT-DI? Something, it's a big one. This one is the one I refer to as the Terminator camera. It has everything. This camera is 2K, it's 25x zoom, it has active deterrence, so it has red and blue cop lights. It has a massive speaker so that you can speak out of it or you can have a siren go. It also has infrared up to 500 feet. And it has a warm light, which is your smart dual illumination. So once this thing starts picking up somebody, not only can it auto track them and blast them with the cop lights, it can also flood them with a warm light that goes up to 170 feet. So this thing is basically going to look like a police helicopter tracking somebody that's on your property. It's terrifying. Plus the fact that it emits a siren or custom audio. Stay tuned for masterclass to learn how to do that one. This is going to be the camera of all cameras. So again, personally, I just refer to it as the Terminator camera. The sales guys downstairs will definitely know what you're talking about. It has a big name. I apologize for that one, but this is my new favorite camera. We already have one posted up on our roof, so you guys are going to be able to see info videos and infographics coming out about this one in the near future. So just really stay tuned for that one, because again, I'm really excited for this camera. It is awesome. The small amount I've been able to play with it already has impressed me immensely. So awesome camera. It also comes with a mount, just like our older, bigger 8250 and 4250s. So that will be able to hook up to a wall, or it's perfectly compatible with many of our mounts, including the parapet mount. Highly recommend for me to get the parapet if you guys get this thing. So that is all I've got for the March update. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you guys would like to know any more about these cameras, don't hesitate to call the Techer support line. Those guys are happy to answer any questions you guys have. Again, I will be coming out with some more in-depth videos covering these two cameras in the near future. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that, and you'll get notified when those videos come out. I really appreciate you guys joining us for Montavue, and you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks, guys.